Okay guys, welcome back once again. This is video number 2. So we succeeded in creating a page, and we'll add a button. Like I said, add a button. You decide on what you want. If it is the phone number you want to add, or you want them to send you direct message or messenger, or you want them to call you, or you want them to sign up, or you want them to send an email, or you want, but these two are most popular: WhatsApp, phone call, or rather sorry, WhatsApp, phone call. Okay, but for guys who are into web design, you use contact. So it has to be learn more, rather it has to be learn more, and then enter the website link here. Okay, so that's that. Let's go back. Next, okay, sorry, let's take on contact, call now. Next, add a phone number. Nigeria, scroll down, look for Nigeria, and then 08022564328. okay, say next. Your button, call now. So finish. You will see it will appear here, that add button. You see, look at it. Okay, so once anybody clicks here, the person can automatically call your business. Now the next thing you're going to do is to start inviting people. You can see, start inviting people to your page. All right, and again, click here to see more. You can come down, click on about. Please enter what your page is all about. Okay, so that people, most of them will not join you until they read what your page is all about. So you come down. I clicked on about, so it brought me here. So you come down and then click on edit. This is in this category, edit. Start date. When are you starting business? Enter your phone number, which I already done. When they click it, automatically they will call you. This is your email. Enter website if you have any other info. Okay, so these are, you can edit anything here, anything you want. You can say edit page info, so you can change certain things about the page. So you see, complete your about section. So what is it about? Ideas Hub teaches you how to run successful social media ads and show you how to make money online using your ideas, talents, and gifts. Okay, so you say save. Okay, I can save it. Then scroll down. Do I have a phone number? Yes, I do. Add all these informations because people would want to reach you. Some can call immediately. 08022564328. okay, save. If you had a website, put it there. https ideashub.com. save. Scroll down. Email info@ideashub.com. that is if it exists, if you have any. Okay, next will be your address, your home address. Please enter it here. Nobody's coming to steal you. Lot 24 of Osiremu Drive. Ask of your city, Asaba. Zip code 32001. Okay, scroll down. Service area, add neighborhood. I can service Asaba, Onitsha. That's the locations where you want people to patronage to come from. Ogwashiuku, Iseluku, all those big places. Agbo, yes. as many as you can. If you travel to provide goods or services to your customers, select up to 10 neighbor cities or regions. So up to 10. I can do Lagos if better money go come. Abuja. I can do Owerri. So I'm doing this for the benefit of those who have products to sell. I can do Enugu. I can even do Yo. I can do Port Harcourt. You see, until I'm done with the 10, this thing will not be activated. I can do Ekboma. I can do Warri. Yeah. I can do Saple. I think it's more than 10. If you travel to provide goods or services to your customers, select up to 10 neighborhoods, cities or regions to define your service area. Okay, so let me just let me do Oka. Let me do Calabar, etc. Okay, now next, temporary, operating as usual, service temporarily closed, changes, open with service changes. No, leave it like that. Other accounts, no, leave it the way it is. Okay, and then once you're done, go to contact, which is what I have done. Go to location, go to the hours, the time that if you have privacy policy, put it here for web designers actually, and then at the end just continue editing. Sorry, operating as usual, save. How many hours? Operating as usual. Okay, so that's that. Save changes. Application general. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so that's that. Now this is my page. You will see that this is completely away from who I am. This is my page that handles my business. So you don't come tomorrow and come and post and tell people come and buy, come and register with me, come and do this. Don't do that. Stop doing that. Nobody will listen to you. People will respond, but it's not professional. You have to be professional in all that you do online. Okay, so when a company needs your services tomorrow, they don't come and search for you on social media and see that this one, no, she's already into plenty businesses. This one, he's already into plenty business. Meanwhile, you don't have money in your pocket. You put yourself in trouble. All right, so let it be. So perfectly, we have a page created. We can now go ahead and start making posts on the page. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how to run advert. Okay, I have talked about inviting people, right? Yes, I did. We saw a group of my friends. So you first of all invite your friends, and then it will be extended when you run an advert, or when you boost a post, or when you advertise your page for people to see. Okay, so in the next video we'll talk about advertisement properly. Thank you.